like my own bullshit. I don't like it so much that I'm willing to bypass the possibility that that's all it is. You see what I mean? Because I know I'm a limited human being, I know that I'm a limited animal, it's not hard for me to conceive the fact that all that I'm doing is just fabricating an existence. See, I'm not having a hard time figuring that out. And the only way that I would have a hard time figuring it out, or the only way that you would have a hard time convincing me that I'm not fabricating my own story without God in the picture, is that if I knew the future and I knew everything, now you would have a difficult time convincing me that I'm doing what I'm doing. See, because now I know everything and I know the future, so fuck it. That's it. I'm not speculating. I'm not making up a fucking thing. Because as soon as I know the future and everything, there's nothing more to talk about. The thing I'm making up is the thing that's going on, because I know everything. Or I know everything, and I know everything in conjunction to in relationship to the future. Now, the guy that's trying to convince me that I'm making shit up is going to have a hard time doing it. But without having those two qualities as a person, I'm going to have a hard time defending my own fucking smoke and mirrors. See? I'm going to have a real difficult time. So it's not going to be hard to get past first base. That I'm, somebody that's out here in the world basically smoke and mirroring myself into oblivion. So that now that I've got that, pretty much down to a science, I can start to try to encompass or try to grasp the fact that God does exist, or it's a possibility that God exists. And what's really terrible is if God exists and I'm related to him, now my problem really begins. See, because if God exists and I'm related to God, I have a humongous fucking problem. Humongous. And that problem is that it's probably 99% sure that everything I'm making up and all this smoke and mirror is exactly what it is. Smoke and mirror, and a way for the ego to get through life. And so now I'm starting to lose interest in my own shit, in my own bullshit, basically. Because that's what I can see that it would be if God exists in an objective reality and he's related to me. I want to know how I'm related, or how God's related to me, because that determines what is the propelling force in my life now. Not how much I can fabricate and how much I can make up. That doesn't determine, that's not the driving force in my life anymore. Not how I can use all of reality to try to manipulate myself through it and in a successful, quote-unquote, successful manner. Now that's starting to lose its glitter. Because, first of all, if God exists, I'm supposing that we're talking about God, the creator of the universe, right? God, the creator of the universe, the guy that does know everything, the guy that made everything. Is that who we're talking about? And I'm related to that guy, and he's related to me? Is that what's going on? And if it is, well, I have to get to it. And I have to get to it fast, because if we're dealing with the guy that created the universe, that knows everything, the future and the past, and I'm directly related to that guy, I have to get to that shit really fast, because I want to base my life not on this being that doesn't know his ass from a hole in the ground, as far as being able to know everything, and then making it worse, not being able to tell the future. I was only doing that because I didn't have any other way of doing it. I was only doing that because I didn't know any better. And I was scammed from a reference point of the world that you're cool. Hey, man, build up your self-esteem, get yourself happening, get everything in the world to accommodate itself to what you want. Oh, yeah, if you want it bad enough. I was scammed by a point of reference that's called the world, that's called the environment in which I grew up in. So I was just following kind of like, a donkey follows a carrot. I was just following the general modus operandi in front of me. But now that I'm faced with this other reality, I'm seeing the superficiality and how I have been scammed into developing my own reality and going forward with it as if it was reality. If God does exist, and God knows everything, and God knows the past and the future, and God created everything, and I'm related to him. You see, there's about 3 or 4 things going on here. Does God exist? And are we talking about God that created the universe? And are we talking about God that knows the future and the past? And so are we talking about that guy? And so am I related to that guy? And do me and him have something going on? You see what I'm saying? Now, if that's the case, I have to get to that as fast as I know how, because that puts me out of the ballpark. See, that puts me out of the ball game. All of a sudden, I'm not that interested in my own, in my own smoke and mirrors, in my own little elaborate plan that I had all concocted, because I would rather go with the guy that knows everything, see? I'm not that interested in a guy that doesn't know everything. Can I just fucking make it real simple for you to understand? As far as basing my life on anything, if I'm going to base my life on something, let me tell you this. I'm not basing it on somebody that doesn't know everything, if I can help it. The only reason I did is because I didn't know any better. Of course I based it on myself. Through my ego, I convinced myself that that was who the fuck I was supposed to base it on. You see what I mean? But now that's been a little bit shattered because of the fact that, God exists, and if he exists, and he knows everything and knows the past and the future, and I'm really... Now that whole fucking situation's been put down the tubes. Because I'm much rather base my life on somebody that knows everything, and especially knows the future.